Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. How are you doing? Today I have a recipe for lemon curd because it is summer. Finally we have sun. It's been 2 days in a row that the weather is hot and beautiful, and it's going to be another hot sunny day tomorrow and the next day as well. So we are looking for summer for sure. So for that I have lemon curd and everything summery, which I will be sharing in the next couple of days as well. So check out the full video to make this lemon curd. It has a lemon skin chunk in the curd as well. It is good to spread on your toast, or even to be used into other bakings like pastry or filling for steamed buns or bread. I'll see you soon. Bye. I have 6 lemons here. They are 600 grams. Well, they're actually 635 grams, but what you need is at least 600 grams of lemon. And then we're gonna wash them clean, and then we're gonna grate the skin. Once you rinse the lemon, you want to pat them dry. So we're gonna need the skin. You either peel it with a peeler, or you can grate them, whichever is easier for you. If you use peeler, then you will have to slice them thin, or chop them, or slice them to longer threads. It's much easier with grater, but whichever you like. Now that the skin or rind already chopped, grated or peeled, we're gonna squeeze the lemon from this. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. So just slice, and if you have a lemon presser, it's easy to squeeze out the juice. The juice are squeezed out, you want to strain them because there might be seeds, and we're gonna put them aside for now. We're gonna work on the sugar. So what I have here is 2 cups of sugar. You can use 1.5, 1, 3 1/4, or 2 cups, with 4 eggs. And just with your balloon whisk, mix them first before we turn on the heat. So we're gonna cook this on low or medium heat, stove top. Just keep stirring it with your balloon whisk until mixture is thicker and that sugar dissolve. So just keep mixing. Now the sugar is getting thinner, which means they're dissolving. We're just gonna keep stirring until you feel that the mixture is thickening. That's when we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. That the sugar is completely dissolved and the liquid is completely hot to the touch, add in your lemon chunks or lemon peel chunks, and the lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I want to add in 100 grams of butter, unsalted, and just stir them until everything mixed and mixture become totally thickened. Once all ingredients inside, just keep stirring until totally thickened, and you can also turn up the heat to medium high to speed up the process if you want. If not, just put it on low, medium, low heat. Stirring, thickening. Let it boil for 5 minutes, and then we take off from the heat. and let it stand for 5 minutes before we fill up the jar. Now that the jar is filled, you want to cool it completely on your countertop or table before you chill it in the fridge.